So, before we start the episode, I just wanted to take a minute and say this is going to be a lengthy one, but a really, really interesting one. So, if you're someone who wants to tune into Naina's story and listen to how she navigated coming back to workforce after 11 years, please feel free to skip to 35-minute mark and hear from that time. But if you want to stay and listen to the whole story, go through your own childhood adventures through Nana, then I urge you to listen to the whole episode. And without much ado, let's get started. Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of the Fair and Fair Life podcast. When life gives you lemons, you make lemonade. And let me tell you, being a woman, I know that the number of lemons life throws at you is massive. And we need to go and keep making lemonades and cocktails and mocktails and whatnot to really make absolute sense of it. Today we have a fabulous guest called Naina Sinha, and she has been a testament to every woman's journey. I think she embodies values. She embodies being a full time mom. She embodies having an absolute corporate career and being recognized as a nominee to the Women in Tech Excellence Awards. Her story is not just of being a mom and coming back to work. Her story will help us understand what all goes behind it, what makes it so easy, or what makes it so difficult for her.
Hmm.
So, welcome, Nena. Welcome to the Fair Unfair Life
Thank
podcast.
you,
How?
Krati. Yeah, that's an impressive, very impressive, introduction, and thank you so much for it.
Welcome, Nana, and we are looking forward to have a beautiful conversation here in this podcast.
Thanks, Monica. Me too, equally. I'm really excited about this, and thank you for giving me this opportunity. Yeah.
So, Nena, tell us something that only a very few people in your close circle know about.
अच्छा, about me, yeah.
Yeah.
I think बहुत कम लोग जानते हैं कि I can be really funny. I think my co-circle, yeah, I can be really funny. Usually, when people look at me and they think, okay, yeah, she's nice and she's good to be around. But I think मेरी माँ को मालूम है या मेरे very close friends, I am incredibly funny and I like doing naughty things. I'm pretty naughty, yeah. बहुत बहुत
हाँ,
ज़्यादा. So that is one thing I think which very few people know. But those who know that they know कि यार ये बहुत ही बदमाश है. तो मेरी माँ को
अच्छा,
मालूम है कि कितनी बदमाशी मैंने करी थी. उनकी हालत खराब हो गई थी. She used to think कि अरे कब बड़ी हो गई यार, मेरा तो जीना हराम हो गया है. That way. So I've been quite naughty. Yeah, so I think that is one thing which not many people know about me.
तो
Amazing,
कौन सी
amazing.
नौचीपना के बारे में आप बात करना चाहेंगे या बताना चाहेंगे हम लोग को, क्योंकि हम लोग को तो एक भी नहीं पता अबाउट योर नॉटीनेस.
बताऊं? अच्छा, let me talk you about one incident. Class 10 में क्या होता था ना, so I was growing up 10, 11, 12, I was in Guwahati. So my dad was posted somewhere else, and that was a time we decided to stay in where we belong to. So we come from Guwahati. So क्लास 10 के टाइम में used to go for this tuition, ये सब के लिए जा रहे थे. और उस टाइम में the time when I was growing up, गुवाहाटी was quite volatile. वहाँ पे इंसर्जेंसी ये सब बहुत ज्यादा हो रहा था. तो उस टाइम में क्या हुआ कि ट्यूशन के लिए माँ ने भेजा था. नेक्स्ट डे 15 अगस्त था. तो ट्यूशन मास्टर ने बोला कि भैया सब बंद है, गुवाहाटी बंद होना है, नहीं तो कुछ भी हो सकता है, आप लोग घर जाओ. मैं घर नहीं गई. मैं वहां से चली गई दोस्त के साथ घूमने. घूमने चले गए और घूमने के बाद एक फ्रेंड के वहां पे मूवी देखने के लिए चले गए और मेरी माँ को लग रहा है अरे टाइम हो गया व्हाई शी इज नॉट बैक होम और वन ऑफ दोस थिंग्स टू डू इन क्लास 10 तो एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम तो ऐसे हुआ कि कहाँ है ढूंढ रही तो मेरी माँ डर गई यार लड़की कहाँ है टीचर को कॉल किया टीचर इज सेइंग कि भैया वो तो कब से निकल गया आज मैंने सेशन ही नहीं लिया शी जस्ट गॉट ऑल ballistic and she reached out to my friend's dad who was a DIG अंकल को लगा अरे इसका बाप तो फौजी है हाँ लड़की को तो उठा लिया भाई they just because just about 2 or 3 weeks before uh, where we lived there was an army officer who was shot dead gunpoint पे
Oh.
so it was that volatile तो उसमें हम घूमने चले गए and my mom would always tell me don't go here don't go there मैं निकल जाते थे because we wanted to test the water कि what's gonna happen so चले गए and then uncle just on in the borders he's put his his soldiers and वहाँ पे लगा दिया कि she's not home for so long कहाँ चले गए then they reached out to my what do you call my school head teacher वहाँ पे they reached so that she could know who are my close circle of people and if they could reach out to them पूरे स्कूल में बात फैल गई नैना तो गायब है उसको किडनैप हो गया और मैं यहाँ पे गई हूँ with a friend of mine to watch movies so that was one
What
of the
movie
incidents
was that? What movie was that?
I
yeah
know.
Do you
वो
remember?
More
यार
interested.
I don't यार मुझे अभी तक याद नहीं यार वो कौन सा था याद नहीं I'm not sure whether रोजा था कि कुछ ऐसे था I don't remember that right now
Movie भी
but
वही
मुझे पिटाई
जिसमें
बहुत याद है
kidnapping हुआ.
या कि पकड़ के ना मेरे को रास्ते में पिटवा कि चिकन स्टॉप इट मैं अभी क्लास 10 में हूँ यार मुझे मत मारो मार मार के घर में उसके बाद मेरे दोस्तों ने मुझसे बात नहीं किया फॉर सम टाइम they thought yeah you just yeah they got upset about it that I was not so I have been pretty naughty also I've got if I want something I just go after it तो उस चक्कर में कभी कभी I had to challenge the norm also so वैसा भी होता था so that was one
और
incident which I do remember and then there are few others also so like
I'm sure.
बचपन में कभी कभी कुछ चाहिए होता था ना और माँ बाप नहीं मानते थे तो माँ के पास जाके अलग स्टोरी बाप के पास जाके अलग स्टोरी डैड के
oh my
पास
God.
and then they would have carry how can you say I knew that I am the task master कि दोनों को मैंने झगड़ा दिया ताकि मेरा काम हो जाए तो I used to enjoy doing that and I was saying especially मेरे को लगता है I was my dad's fan तो I was incredibly jealous छोटे में बचपन में of my mom also कि यार my dad is for me like वैसा वाला थोड़ा सा I do have that feeling and I still I take a lot of pride um, for my dad what my dad has achieved because he has an incredible journey and and the immense amount of independence he has given me I take immense amount of pride or I've always been his fan तो उस चक्कर में माँ के साथ भी बहुत झगड़ा होता था बचपन में so that's my story and there are a few others also
Really, really interesting ones. I see. I can actually tell you that if we were friends, we would have been roaming out in
oh yeah,
Guwahati
yeah.
that time
Definitely
together. So
ऐसी
totally
भी
with
ऐसी
that.
थी कृतियाँ शैतान.
अरे बिल्कुल बहुत like I had a two-wheeler under me in year 9 and like that was it. So when I sit down nowadays to actually reflect on, sometimes they say, no, what is your motivation? If you achieve something, what will you give yourself, right? When you have stress, how will you relieve it? Like those are the questions we kind of go through when we're going through some leadership trainings. And I'm like, if you just put me on a scooter and let me drive around like lanes for 10 minutes, I'm all calm.
yeah
Wow.
That's my thing. So that's why I was saying that, Monica, then I would have put you on my back on
exactly
the two-wheeler
yeah
and we would have like rode around doing all sorts of new and naughty
the,
things.
yeah, I seriously I mean I think that journey which you take in a two-wheeler especially
Yeah.
when you're growing up na and you drive down there's so many things which goes on at that point of time whether you're doing it in a bike or doing it in a kinetic मुझे while growing up ये था कि पापा ने एक साइकिल लिया था रेंजर एंड माय ब्रदर वाज यंग और ट्यूशन जाना होता था तो तब मुझे लगता था मैं ना मतलब मेरे भाई का ना सुपरमैन हूँ, उसको पीछे बैठाती थी वो बोले चल हम दोनों ट्यूशन जाएंगे रेंजर में बैठा के 3-4 किलोमीटर ड्राइव। और यू आर जस्ट यू आर स्टडिंग क्लास 5 वो क्लास 4, उसको बैठा के, वो साइकिल थोड़ी बड़ी है पर भी इसको बिठाया हुआ है, इसको नहीं गिराऊं, दैट सेंस, दो स्मॉल थिंग्स, आई थिंक व्हाट गोज ऑन इन दैट जर्नी ऑफ 3 to 4 kilometers ना
Yeah.
इज इमेंस यार। वो बहुत फर्क पड़ता है वो आज। इफ यू सिट इन योर बेस्ट ऑफ कार्स आल्सो यू डोंट गेट दैट फीलिंग
No.
व्हिच यू गेट इन दैट बाइक इन दैट साइकिल, तो बचपन
फिर
में जो करते थे।
तो नैना तुमने जो स्टोरी अभी बताई अपनी शैतानी की, वो क्लास 10 में थी, तो पढ़ाई कैसी थी? बिकॉज 10th अपने इंडिया में तो एकदम लैंडमार्क जैसा एक माना जाता है,
हाँ।
फर्स्ट स्टेप स्टोन। कैसा, हाउ वाज योर स्टडीज एंड क्या स्ट्रीम से तुम पढ़ रहे थे 10th में? व्हाट वाज इट?
So on that, Monica, I'll tell you about my 10th में क्या था। मैं so before that my I was we were staying together with my dad, और जब 10th हुआ तो dad got posted to Nagaland। तो मम्मी ने डिसाइड किया कि भाई मेरा घर नहीं हुआ है ना, we want to go back and settle down in Guwahati। तो उस टाइम में I think in a lot of ways, I don't think it was a good decision. It was not a very wise decision for my mom to take because it was a transitioning phase for me and my brother equally. मोनिका उस टाइम जब घर बन रहा था ना, मम्मी घर बना रही थी, मम्मी अकेली थी, पापा तो नहीं थे, and we both were quite
I
young,
just
trying to
want to
study. Sure,
unpack for the listeners कि पापा क्यों नहीं थे, and you mentioned उनका transferable job था,
correct.
so
Papa क्यों नहीं
help us
थे? Because he was served in the army, so he was posted out. Papa, he was posted in the field area, so he couldn't be
ओके,
there for that period of time.
राइट,
And you 10th was तो मम्मी जब घर बना रही थी ना, तिलक, तो उस टाइम में जब घर बन रहा था साइड में, तो हम लोग, मैं, मेरा भाई, मेरी माँ, हम लोग पास में ना वो टेम्परेरी घर बना के रह रहे थे मोनिका। और वो टेम्परेरी घर बम्बू का होता था, वो जो बम्बू का
हाँ
तर्जा होता है ना, जो जिससे
हाँ,
या वो बम्बू का तर्जा, और वो क्या बोलते हैं, टिन टिन होता था ऊपर, और बम्बू का
हाँ,
तर्जा वाला घर। एंड उस टाइम में
अच्छा,
हमारा टॉयलेट भी कच्चा लैट्रिन होता था, लाइक
अरे वाह,
yeah, and just imagine it was a massive transition। तो मेरा भाई टॉयलेट ही नहीं जाता था, उसको हो गया था कौन से, क्योंकि मेरे को नहीं जाना इस टॉयलेट में भाई, सो बट उस टाइम में तीनों, फिर मेरी माँ का स्ट्रगल भी सोचती, उस टाइम में खाना बना रही है, उस टाइम में बच्चों को पढ़ना वढ़ना। सो माई एंटायर क्लास 10 was happening in a building site, जहाँ पे घर बन रहा है
हम्म,
साइड में। और घर
हम्म,
बनने में एक एक साल लग जाता है उसमें, जब पैसे आ रहे हैं तब बन रहे हैं, ऐसा नहीं कि there's a loan and you're building your house। So from a tarja wala ghar, tarja means you made of bamboo house, we did our फर्स्ट 3 years। तो बारिश होता है गुवाहाटी में इतना ज्यादा, जब बारिश होता है द होल तर्जा इज फॉलिंग। सो एक तर्जा को पकड़ के मेरा भाई खड़ा है, एक को मैं पकड़ के मैं खड़ी हूँ, एंड yeah, that was the kind of, and we're thinking, alright, there's a water leak, what are you gonna do? So we literally, I studied in that circumstances, in the first 6 months, and then eventually we graduated to a half wall वाला घर। तो 2 कमरे होते थे, उसमें हाफ तक ब्रिक था। हाँ, जो
अच्छा,
आधा ब्रिक लेयर का, और आधा बन नहीं पा रहा है क्योंकि पैसे नहीं आए नेक्स्ट इंस्टॉलमेंट। तो वहां पे ब्रिक, वहां पे वो तर्जा तर्जा लगा हुआ था, एंड 2 कमरे और एक किचन होता था उसमें। 3 of us were literally going through a journey of studying and everything। so kitchen में जाके मैं सुबह 4 बजे उठ के पढ़ती थी यार। बट आई वाज
वाह,
सो एक्सट्रीमली मोटिवेटेड। आई थिंक वो मेरे को मेरे पापा से मिला हुआ है। तो do everything in your life, but do give it your best shot, whatever it may be, whether it's your studies, your fun, or whatever it is. If you're partying, party like an animal. If you're studying, then study like a geek, whatever it is. So do your best in whatever you're doing. So मैं पढ़ाई भी मैंने बहुत किया। सुबह उठती थी, नहा धो के तुलसी माता का प्रे करके, भाई आज मुझे मेरे क्लास 10 में भैया मुझे निकलवा देना है। So I take a bit of blessing from the God, and तो वैसे करके क्लास 10 में आई थिंक सो I studied a lot and I did really well। I got 97% in my 97 in
वाह,
science, 97 in science, no sorry, I got about 82। मेरे हिंदी ने थोड़ा सा मेरी लग गई, और हिंदी और मैथ्स में, but maths was also all right, I think
but 82
76
भी
शायद मिला था।
I mean that's what I remember, तुम CBSE board से हो,
हाँ जी।
82%, even at that time, my goodness, from CBSE board, kudos to you, fantastic, good job, yeah।
थैंक यू
काफी
थैंक यू
एक्सपांड
मोनिका।
करते हैं।
तो वो, क्योंकि साइंस के लिए ना इंटरेस्ट टीचर की वजह से जगा था, लाइक ऐसा वो टीचर बहुत अच्छी थी, तो वो मुझे हमेशा पढ़ते रहने का मन करता था, फिर मुझे दूसरा सब्जेक्ट पढ़ने का ही मन नहीं करता था। आई यूज्ड टू ऑलवेज फील लाइक स्टडीइंग साइंस। तो क्लास 10 में अच्छा किया, बट व्हाट हैपेंड वाज, आई थिंक बिकॉज वी वेंट थ्रू ऑल दीज स्ट्रगल्स, आई थिंक 10th के बाद ना मेरा बर्नआउट हो गया। मुझे
ओके।
लगा कि या आई फेल्ट दैट given I've worked so incredibly hard कि मुझसे आगे नहीं हो रहा, अभी मुझे ना मस्ती मारने का मन कर रहा था। एंड एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम जो सर्कल ऑफ फ्रेंड्स भी आए ना, वो भी सारे मस्ती वाले थे। तो मैंने कहा अब जो 10th हो गया, अभी तो लेट्स हैव फन, तो 11 and 12 was बहुत ही, like I started losing weight, I wanted to look nice, all those teenage wala thing, wanted to go out little bit and see, and then how other, how the world is, and what it takes to be grown up. So that transitioning, having crushes, जो crush को पता ही नहीं कि मेरे को crush है। तो all of that।
I think teenage has stayed constant, right? So
Yeah.
teenage today as well as teenage before, it's the
Yes.
same thing that we do.
Yeah.
इज द सेम एंड बड़े मजे की बात होती है टीनेजर्स के बारे में। वो कभी गलत नहीं होते और उनके माँ बाप सबसे बड़े बुद्धू होते हैं, भले वो
सच्ची।
जीनियस हो सीईओ, बट दे नो नथिंग, आई नो
Correct.
एवरीथिंग।
Exactly.
आई नो। तो आगे बढ़ते
Naina,
हैं
what
आपकी
is
स्टोरी। या टेल मी कृति,
huh?
हाँ प्लीज प्लीज पिच इन, चिप इन, सॉरी।
I was just saying that what we are hearing is, here's a very here's a person who knows a lot of negotiation skills, right? Here's a person who is very curious, who here's a person who will not stop at something if they've made up their mind that they want to stay, right? Chota ghar ho, kaisa bhi ghar ho, like it does not really matter. If you want to go for it, you will go for it. And then I'm also hearing the transferable job with your father, and how your life has been him dropping in and out,
Yeah.
but yet he has had a massive influence in your life, right? So tell me
Correct.
a little bit about transferable job and what that really added to your personality, because I have been educated in a convent, Nana, so I've studied with a lot of these army kids,
Yeah.
and I knew like we used to get really pally, really good friends with them for 2 years, and then they were leaving, and that was like a heartbreak
Yeah.
that we as natives of that city felt ki,
Mhm.
oh my god, she's going now, how will we stay in touch? So we missed them dearly, and the other thing was that all of these kids had a personality that none of us had. So do you think it there's something that has changed in you because of that dynamic?
Yeah, I do feel so. So I do think the lifestyle what army brings in, not only uh, for the professionals who are working in it, जैसे मेरे पापा थे, and many like him. There are two things which is really important, which brings in them is, first thing is your discipline. I think motivation can take you only so much far, but
Hmm.
discipline is something which takes you, it's a marathon, and then discipline is something which takes you further. And I've seen all of these guys incredibly motivated and disciplined. Motivation का पता नहीं, लेकिन discipline जरूर थे उन लोग, you know. And um, and the charm of serving your nation, there's a wider perspective, this charm that okay, it is not easy for somebody to lay out your life here, apni zindagi ko, I mean, that's the biggest salesmanship you have to do, to ask somebody to give your life for your country. I mean, isn't it? I mean, what else can you can't sell your life, and so you have to get these people, your juniors and your team of soldiers, your entire battalion, to be there and not back out when it comes down to giving your life. What incredible salesmanship skill would that need, isn't it? So वो वो ना क्या होता है, वो lifestyle जो होता है, the kind of atmosphere you grow in, it trickles down to their children also. So in a lot of ways it trickles down, and I think the second thing which really helps in building the personality is that you keep moving places. तो बच्चों के लिए क्या होता है कि अरे अभी तो सेटल हुए थे, फिर से मूव कर रहे हैं. एंड ये आई थिंक सारे ट्रांसफरल जॉबों का ये होता है कि आपको फिर यू हैव टू फाइंड योर ग्राउंड अंडर योर अंडर द टेबल कि यार मुझे नए दोस्त बनाने पड़ेंगे, वो मुझे एक्सेप्ट करेंगे कि नहीं। एंड स्पेशली टीनेज फेज में तो और भी ज्यादा इट्स अ tricky situation because you already form your cohort of people who are your best of buddies. अब वहां पे जाके आपको घुसना है और आपको अपनी दोस्ती बनानी है. That's not an easy job, especially during the teenage, and I think that brings in. But as much as my dad has been pivotal in driving this, I think my mom has been a silent strength in all of this. Because वो लेडी ने अकेले दो बच्चों को पाला है, इतने सारे मूव करते रहो, हिला एक जगह से दूसरी जगह सामान को लेके जाओ, दो सेटल हो, बच्चों को पढ़ाना लिखाना, बीमार हो गए दोनों एक साथ. Now if both my children get sick, I can't manage both my kids. मुझे एक पॉइंट में लगता है कि प्रशांत, can you pass me something? Can you help me out? But she had nobody to help her out, अकेले ही करना पड़ता था. So I think she has been a silent strength all during this journey. What my dad brings on is over and beyond the army life, because dad had his own struggle. He was raised by a single dad बचपन से, बहुत extremely limited means and humble background, और वहां से उठ के you can imagine if I tell you कि बचपन में he had night blindness because of lack of nutrients. So imagine how he must have grown up.
Oh
तो
my
आप सोचो
God.
वहीं पे ही कि उनका स्ट्रगल क्या रहा होगा. वहां से उठ के आप एक आर्मी ऑफिसर बनते हो और वो अचीव करते हो, तो वो अपने में एक इतना जर्नी है. तो दैट जर्नी हैज ऑलवेज इंस्पायर्ड मी. आई थिंक दैट वाज द फ्यूल which I took in. एंड आई हारना तो नहीं है भैया, काम करते रहो, मतलब करते रहो, आगे क्या होगा वो पता नहीं. लेकिन सक्सेस हैज इज ओन डेफिनेशन. व्हाट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ सक्सेस? इट्स नॉट रेयर कि अगर आप शाहरुख खान बन गए तो ही सक्सेसफुल, ऐसा नहीं है. आई मीन
बिल्कुल.
wherever if you move forward and whatever you have is something which you dreamed of, that's equally a success, isn't it? There's no concrete definition of success. But I do think that my dad's achievement has kind of fueled my journey, and my mom has been a pivotal of support, because एक औरत को ना journey as compared to a man's journey is extremely different. Women have to fight for basic things. Yeah, basic. अरे रात को 8 बजे के बाद नहीं निकलना है, या ये ड्रेस क्यों पहना है, थोड़ा लंबा पहन लो. These are also struggles and fight in their own way. अगर सोचे तो कितना छोटी चीज है ना. तो उसमें अगर माँ का सपोर्ट हो ना, अरे नहीं मेरी बेटी पहनेगी यार, कुछ नहीं, क्या हो गया, तो वो भी कितना बड़ा सपोर्ट हो जाता है. तो moms usually lose the limelight, but she has been a great strength equally as much as my father has been. So yeah,
So,
I would say so.
so coming from army background, that's what we see it in movies, and that's what, because I myself, I was in Kendriya Vidyalaya. I had many, army children friends with me, and discipline is something which was like the key factor in the family. Ritual हो जाता था
Correct.
कि हर चीज एकदम
हाँ.
डिसिप्लिन के मुताबिक होगी. तो what do you think, discipline एंड जो ये resilience का जो आप लोगों को ये पार्ट सिखाते हैं बचपन से ही, हाउ डू यू थिंक इट हैज़ इन्फ्लुएंस योर लाइफ टिल नाउ? बिकॉज जर्नी तो सिर्फ वहीं ख़त्म नहीं हो गई, जर्नी तो उसके आगे भी बढ़ी. सो व्हाट डू यू थिंक दैट it played a role to shape up your future, the discipline?
बहुत ज्यादा मोनिका, बिकॉज मुझे लगता है ना कि ये जो दो चीजें, एक तो डिसिप्लिन है आई और रेजिलियंस, ये दोनों ना साथ में चलते हैं एक दूसरे के, दे आर हैंड इन हैंड. There has been time in my phase where I've missed out on discipline. There has been phases जब आपके बहुत मस्ती मारे थे तो डिसिप्लिन छोड़ दिया, या you got caught up in life तो थोड़ा डिसिप्लिन हट जाता है. बट आप देखोगे ना, जितने बार आपका डिसिप्लिन हटता है ना, आपका रेजिलियंस भी हट जाता है, ऑटोमेटिकली हट जाता है थोड़ा सा ना. अब तब क्या होता है कि जब डिसिप्लिन हटता है ना, तो क्या, यू स्टार्ट गिविंग एक्सक्यूजेस. और वो एक्सक्यूजेस क्यों देते हैं? बिकॉज यू आर नॉट रेजिलियंट इनफ टू रियली गो अहेड एंड फेस द बैटल. So I
Wow.
think it moves hand in hand. तो मेरी लाइफ में आई थिंक जो भी मेरा अभी तक हुआ है ना, ये इसलिए नहीं हुआ कि मैंने लॉ पढ़ लिया, या मैंने दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी से ग्रेजुएशन कर लिया, या मैंने कुछ और भी किया, मैंने यही 2 कोर्स किया और तो कुछ नहीं किया. बट एवरीथिंग व्हाट हैज हैपेंड इन माय लाइफ हैज हैपेंड बिकॉज आई वाज डिसिप्लिन्ड एंड रेजिलिएंट. और कुछ भी अचीव हुआ है ना, वो ये 2 चीजों की वजह से ही हुआ है कि आई जस्ट कैरीड ऑन, कीप काम एंड कैरिंग ऑन. ये कैरी ऑन, ये जो फंडा है ना, यही हुआ है. तो जस्ट कीप वर्किंग and it definitely feeds you. जो कर्मा लोग बोलते हैं ना कि कर्मा, is it really a real thing? It is, because if you keep working towards thing ना, action will always have a reaction. It will give you, maybe not now, maybe in during a course of time, but when you keep doing a certain thing over a period of time, it is bound to give you result. I don't think you can really shy away from that. मेरी पूरी जर्नी में, चाहे वो माँ बनना हो या नौकरी करना हो या शादी करके नई बहू भी बना, वो भी कितनी बड़ी जर्नी होती है हर एक औरतों की लाइफ में, राइट? ये पूरे जर्नी में आई थिंक अगर आप रेजिलिएंट नहीं होते, अगर आप डिसिप्लिन नहीं होते ना, तो आपका तो आप, इट डजंट टेक यू फार। मेरे ख्याल से इवन जो आपका इक्वेशन होता है आपके पार्टनर के साइड, उसमें भी सर्टेन अमाउंट ऑफ resilience and discipline is required to build. I think
You
that's the
totally
foundation for
started.
everything.
I totally agree, right? When you were saying ki when a baby comes in your life,
Yeah,
right? The first thing you are struggling with is because तुम्हारे पूरे दिन का routine change हो जाता है, because that's the
Sachi.
discipline, that's what you set for yourself, right?
Yeah,
And how uncomfortable that can get is
Right.
alone testimony to why we need discipline in our lives,
correct,
Right.
right?
correct.
And but totally agree, Naina. I think you touched upon your education, and you touched upon Delhi and law, and as far as I know, your current you know title says that you are a project manager and you're working with networks. How has that, like, where does these two things sort of tie up? So maybe give us a little bit of story around your education, and then
Yeah.
why,
So,
how you're leveraging these strengths in the current role.
thank you for asking me that question. So, once after my marriage, I moved to UK, and it was around the time that I've already worked for certain years now. I was in a mental space where I thought कि यार काम कर लिया अभी, काफी काम कर लिया, but I'm moving on to my next phase. Maybe it's
क्या
time to
काम किया था
before
before?
so I when after completing my law, I worked with a law firm in Delhi, Singhania, which is known as Singhania LLP. uh, I was one of the team members for a legal partner in that. So we were looking into corporate laws, contractual laws. We did a bit of Hindu undivided family cases.
Mhm.
मेरा काम था कि रिसर्च करना, उस get the things ready, and the partner, he would go and argue the case in the law, and we would just follow him. And जो थोड़े छोटे मोटे केस थे वो हमें दे देता था, but वो एक
So
साल
you
की
were doing
जर्नी
the
था दिल्ली
Meghan
में।
Markle. You
हाँ
were doing
कि
the
भैया,
Meghan Markle role in Suits, is
हाँ
it?
कि भैया आप जाओ, अब बात करो, डेट आगे बढ़ाओ, तो हमारा काम वो था और रिसर्च करना। But during that time we dealt with some very good cases यार। एक कुछ it was around that time when Hindu undivided family law का भी एक pivotal case law पास हुआ था वो, and Singhania was the first firm who did that case. So anyway, so एक साल में it was great in terms of experience, but पैसे नहीं थे, and to sustain yourself in Delhi is not a joke, and I didn't want it to be a liability, on my father, financially. He had no issues in terms of financing me, but I wanted to move fast. So I realized this is going to take me long, and I'm not going to be financially independent for long अगर मैं ऐसे ही continue करती रहूं, तो I started looking out at that point of time for options, started hunting for job while I was with this company. क्योंकि उस टाइम में क्या होता था यार, 3,000 की सैलरी होती थी। हाँ, पूरे महीने का। आप दिल्ली में कैसे, आपका गारंटी 4,000 का है। you know and but when you have great people who come together at that point. तो मेरी एक फ्रेंड थी, so she would work for Times of India. She's still a great friend of mine. We're very close friends. तो उसका सैलरी 10,000 होता था, तो वो ऑटो का पैसा देती थी। हम वहाँ जहाँ पे हम लोग रहते थे वहां से क्या बोलते हैं, ऑटो में जाते थे, क्योंकि सुबह सुबह लेटो, शी कुड अफोर्ड इट, तो वो ऑटो में जाती थी, मैं उसके साथ फ्री में हिच रहा है, बता जब तू कमाएगी ना तब मुझे दे देना। तो शी वुड ऑलवेज पे। तो we used to live together, तो हम सारे the 3-4 friends of us, we were very close and we're still very close. झगड़ा भी हो जाए ना तो भी you always go back to them. So so uh, so we did that. We supported each other during that time. तो मेरे को लगा भैया ये नहीं चलेगा मेरा तो यहाँ पे दिल्ली में. And then I got through Genpact. तो Genpact में through training, then eventually moved on to transition of business. And it just so happened during that year, I think Genpact was the first one who did legal outsourcing for the first time. So we tied up with UHG, which is a healthcare group in United States, Minneapolis, and we transitioned business from United States to India. And I was part of that core team who did that transition. So I was in US for a while. I stayed there, transitioned business to India, and then worked there for about 6 years, 7 years. उससे ज़्यादा और उसके पहले लॉ फर्म में काम किया. तो दैट हैज़ बीन माई एक्सपीरियंस. तो 8-10 साल काम करे तो मुझे लगा कि अभी तो थोड़ा रिलैक्स करती हूँ यहाँ पे शादी होके है ना. But having said that, ना I've always been a very confused character. थोड़ा टाइम के लिए घर पे रहती थी, मुझे लगा कि क्या हो रहा है यार, there's nothing working out. And I was in on the sideline. I was also looking for job, but nothing really worked out here. Nothing. Forget about my CV would just not be entertained anywhere. Maybe going back, it could have been possibly that my CV was not good enough, or I could have done better with the way, or maybe I was looking at it altogether at a wrong field. I could have done better with the way I was hunting the job. It could be for all possible reasons, but मुझे नौकरी नहीं मिल रहा था. And it was around that time
And
that
this
I
is
got
what time frame? Roughly
2010. 2010 उस टाइम में. हाँ.
I think that
तो
was the time when the world was
डाउनफॉल
actually yes.
हाँ, राइट आफ्टर 2007 के बाद ना वो भी चला गया था.
Around 2008, the
Recession.
recession hit and it continued for
Correct.
a good amount of
रिसेशन,
time.
या एग्जैक्टली. सो इट वाज ट्रिकी टू गेट बैक. तो उसके बाद क्या हुआ, फिर प्रेग्नेंट भी हो गई. तो देन आई थॉट कि आई शुड गेट इन्वॉल्व एंड दिस इज व्हाट आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू. तो बच्चे 12th में बड़ा वाला बेटा हो गया प्रवच, उसके बाद छोटा वाला बेटा 2013 बैक टू बैक. वो भी ऐसे किया ना, बच्चे भी बैक टू बैक.
उसमें भी नहीं रुका.
वो भी नहीं रुका, वो भी एक के बाद एक बच्चे. तो उसके बाद डॉक्टर ने बोला जब सेकंड बच्चा कि भाई इतने जल्दी जल्दी बच्चे मत करो, अभी थोड़ा रुक जाओ, नहीं तो तुम्हारी लग जाएगी हेल्थ वाइज.
Right.
That's when after 2 kids anyway, I thought when I had my first son, so he was amazing. कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं था. तो फिर मुझे लगा कि अरे this is very chill यार, it's not that difficult to raise a kid. Then I had my second one. And he was equally cute and chubby and everything, but he has his own. He's a very high maintenance baby. तो उसको देखने में मेरे को लगा कि भाई no more now. 2 is good enough. So yeah, so then during that course of time, I spent my time raising both my boys, and it was incredible. बहुत अच्छा था. Having said that, I was talking about this in the background also, Krati. Like, I think motherhood has its own demons also. We always talk about how versatile and giving and
Yeah.
everything the motherhood is, which it is, because it's not easy to raise a small being. We are naturally designed to procreate and look after the newer lots who are coming in after us. But it has its own demons. It's so isolating, it is overwhelming, especially if you don't have a strong support system around you, your circle of people around you. So I've gone through that rabbit hole of where, there were days when I was feeling great about things, but there were days when I used to feel completely lost. I couldn't find myself. I mean, I love my children, I'm looking after them well, and I've done a good job. I think I've done a good job when they were little, trying to raise them. कभी घर में बैठा के नहीं रखा, बारिश हो, कुछ भी मौसम हो, or take them out. And I've done things like that. But I do think somewhere during that course of time, there has been instances where I felt really lost, and तो उससे क्या होता है कि imposter syndrome भी built हो जाता है कि you start doubting your own confidence, you see.
Correct.
Yeah. But इस जर्नी में ना मैंने बहुत छोटे छोटे चीज भी किए थे, जैसे कि रेड क्रॉस के लिए मैंने I was volunteering for Red Cross, and they were helping out refugees and immigrant and their families who were working in who were in UK. So I did that for a short period of time. Then I was helping my son in his school, like a volunteer. I would volunteer in school and help kids with difficulties in academic delays or learning delays. तो उनको स्कूल में जूनियर स्कूल में I was helping them out. I've done small bits, and I dwelled into writing story books during that phase, क्योंकि बच्चों को
Wow.
कहानी सुनाते सुनाते ना, so वो अलग स्टोरी है कि सारे रिजेक्ट हो गए मोनिका। मैंने बहुत सारे इलस्ट्रेटेड पब्लिशिंग हाउस के दिए, सबने बोला कि नो नो सॉरी, नेक्स्ट टाइम। बट आई डू हैव अ पैच ऑफ गुड स्टोरीज, इलस्ट्रेशन भी किया हुआ है। तो मुझे लगता है ना, आई नॉट, माय हस्बैंड वाज सेइंग इफ यू वांट यू कैन पब्लिश इट इन Amazon, बट आई स्टिल वांट टू, आई वाज टेलिंग कृति द अदर डे कि मुझे इंडियन पब्लिशिंग हाउस में भी आई वांट टू ट्राई, लेट्स सी, ट्राई माय लक हाउ इट वर्क्स आउट. So I dwelled into that also. Then painting. I got back into painting. I started doing some oil painting, and I see how your journey gets connected up. That painting which I did during this 10 years of gap, somewhere down the line when I met up, when I sat for that, that cohort of women returners, that painting attracted my director. When we were in a breakout group, and we got talking, and he said, "Oh, that painting looks impressive. Who's done it?" I said, "That's me. That's I've done it." And you see the link. So whatever you do, it's never a waste. Whatever you do, it always gives you back. Maybe in some form or the other. I think it always has its way of giving back to you. But as long as it's something new you're doing. So that was my journey. So I joined BT. So going back to the topic, so I joined BT through a women returners program, and I think it was around the phase when my children was 10, 11 years old. That's when I thought, okay, 8 या 10 साल के होंगे तब मेरे को लगा कि now is the time. I better do this for myself. I need to get back to work, and I need to
नैना
find myself
एक
because
मिनट का नैना 1 मिनट का ब्रेक लेते हैं बिकॉज मेरा एक बड़ा ही प्यारा सा क्वेश्चन वेट कर रहा है तुम्हारे वो पहले के टॉपिक पे.
sure.
So, तुमने बताया you had your own coping mechanism. You were doing many activities. Because I like to take a pause here in this situation where you left behind your career. You were taking care of your kids, but तुम्हारे you were able to manage. You were having a coping mechanism. तुम काम कर रहे थे because that the fire was within you, and you knew how to kind of drive it and channelize it. बट तुम्हारा बाकी उन फीमेल्स के लिए क्या गाइडेंस होगा, या तुम उनको क्या एक वर्ड ऑफ विजडम बताना चाहोगे, हाउ these these females who have left their careers because and they have taken a sole decision कि नहीं, we will take a break for our caregiving, you know journey towards our kids, what kind of guidance or tips you would like to give it to them? They
So
should not
मुझे
feel
क्या
guilty and not conflicted or whatever.
तो मोनिका, मुझे क्या लगता है ना, फ्रॉम माई जर्नी एंड आई डू सी फ्रॉम माई एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ पीपल अराउंड मी, क्या होता है कि जब आप ब्रेक लेते हो ना, you genuinely take that break to look after your family and you give your best shot, yeah. But
Yeah,
during the course of time, somewhere down the line, क्या होता है ना, when there have been the transition happens, and there are time when you are actually ready to get back to work and get back on the saddle and you can go back to work. उस टाइम में क्या होता है ना, women are in denial. Okay,
mm,
I did that. Women are in denial. They always keep giving this excuse कि मैं भी काम इसलिए नहीं कर रही because my family needs me. And fair enough, your family does need you, and but that doesn't mean, अगर आप खुद अच्छे नहीं होगे ना, mentally and physically, and अगर आपका खुद का self worth and self is, if it is questioned, I don't think you can give the best of you to your kids or to your family. But
absolutely.
the question is, but here is an important point, because the thing is we have to realize kya, it is different for different individuals. Like the question of self worth, for me it was getting back to work, because that was one thing which I knew. You see, isn't it? For some, it might not be about getting back to work. It might be about getting into a business, or it might be about pursuing a certain form of art, you know,
Right.
or it could be doing something meaningful for the society. So the question of self worth comes in from what you choose to do just for yourself, exclusively for yourself.
Mhm.
I mean, you're not doing that action because you want to do it for your kids or your husband or your mom and dad or anybody. Whatever you choose to do only for yourself, that defines your self worth. तो वो क्वेश्चन एक ट्रांजिशन फेज आता है एक औरत की, एक माँ की लाइफ में, कि आपको लगता है कि अभी यार माँ तो बन रहे हो, कर रहे हो, अच्छी बात है, लेकिन आप अपने लिए क्या कर रहे हो जिससे आपका खुद का सेल्फ वर्थ रहता है, चाहे उससे आपको व्हाट what is it that's going to feed your self-worth? That question is very important. And प्रॉब्लम ये होता है ना कि मोस्ट ऑफ अस, हम लोग इतने अपने डे टू डे लाइफ में जूझ जाते हैं कि हम वो रियलाइज ही नहीं करते। अगर आता भी है ना क्वेश्चन मोनिका, तो हम लोग बोलते हैं कि यार यार मैं ये इसलिए कर रही हूँ क्योंकि मेरे बच्चे को चाहिए, या मेरे पति को चाहिए, या मेरे फैमिली को चाहिए। हम उसको कवर अप कर देते हैं। तो आई थिंक फर्स्ट थिंग व्हाट वुमेन कैन रियली डू देमसेल्फ अ फेवर इज बी ब्रूटली ऑनेस्ट विद देमसेल्फ। मतलब आप अपने आप से झूठ मत बोलो, आप बैठो और रियलाइज करो कि यू नो व्हाट इज इट दैट यू want to do it for yourself. पता है क्या हुआ था मोनिका? Krati was in UK and then she went back. When she was in UK for a short time, our kids were too छोटे थे बच्चे, बट वो कर रही थी, काम कर रही थी उस टाइम। उसके बाद वो चली गई। जब वो जा रही थी ना, तो मुझे ये कॉन्वर्सेशन याद है कृति, आई डोंट नो वेदर यू रिमेंबर इट। यू एंड मी वर सिटिंग इन अ बस स्टॉप, और कृति ने मुझे ये बोला था कि नैना, यू आर मेंट फॉर बिगर थिंग्स, don't I mean, you're doing what you're doing is great, but find a job for yourself. And that resonated. And that was coming from a place of honesty. I don't know, Krati, whether you remember this, but
I do.
you did tell me ki, Naina, काम ढूंढ ले यार, नहीं तो, you shell out. I mean, every one of us has so much to give back beyond our family, beyond us. And the question is to identify that question. What is your self-worth? What brings that self-worth to you? So it could be
I think
job, it could be anything.
that's like, I love that, Naina, because what we women don't get the time to do is sit and retrospect. Like,
Yeah,
अपने ऊपर focus नहीं करते हम, right?
yeah,
So we're always on to the next thing. We're always on to the next duty.
correct.
And in fact, I think it goes for men as well.
Yeah, yeah,
Anybody, I think it is very important for you to
yeah,
sit down to reflect
yeah,
whether you're moving in the right direction. For
yeah,
some, it could be that they really enjoy looking after their kids. Like, that's their purpose. That's absolutely fine, and you can continue to
correct,
do that. But for
correct.
some, they have, sacrificed something to actually deliver the other roles. Maybe
Yeah,
they want to go back. Maybe
yeah,
that's right thing to do. So I think spending that time, finding that moment to actually recognize what you're feeling
yeah,
and what you really want to do. And I will
absolutely.
add one more thing to it, which is asking for support.
Yeah,
Hmm.
A lot of us actually get
Right.
scared because we
yeah,
don't know how to navigate. हमें पता ही नहीं है कि ठीक है, हाँ हमने कर लिया, हमें ये करना है, बट हमें नहीं पता है कि हम इसको कैसे pursue
कैसे
करें.
करें?
Right?
Yeah,
How do we go about finding that job? Right? Is there a women's returner program?
correct.
Okay.
Yeah,
I have lost all my skills. I don't know what my resume would look like now after 10 years of,
yeah,
not working.
yeah,
Okay. So I think that becomes a very scary part for a lot of women.
yeah,
And it's important to ask for help that time from your peers, from your relationships, from the people that you've known. It's fine to pick up the phone and call your ex-boss from 15 years back.
correct.
And that could
Absolutely.
be the right guidance that you're looking for.
Yeah.
I think it's very important.
I agree. I think you never lose your core, and there are certain set of skills which each one of us has, which could be transferred from one job to the other, and rather all, across your board. But one thing is that you got to seek out, you got to prepare yourself. First, it starts from a place of retrospection. What is
Hmm.
it you really truly want for yourself? It shouldn't happen कि 20 साल बाद आप regret करोगे, काश मैंने ये किया होता, काश मैंने ये किया। वो नहीं होना चाहिए। And
Right.
retrospection, and then you move on. The moment you realize and your reality hits you hard, that's when your preparation starts. Retrospection के बाद preparation, and that's when you reach out to people, upskill yourself, be ready. And listen, imposter syndrome is very true, and it's real, and it stays with women who get back to work after a long time, क्योंकि उनको ना self doubt रहता है। अगर job list में 10 दिया है कि आपको ये चाहिए, ये चाहिए, ये चाहिए, औरतें तब तक कॉन्फिडेंटली यस नहीं बोलते कि जबकि 10 के 10 पॉइंट रेडी ना हो जाए। But men, if they do which is matching up, say, I'm ready, I can do this. So that is a state of mind and mindset, I think, that also drives it. So I think it's not crucifying men, because men have their equally difficult journey in their own ways. But all of these are packages. But once retrospection is done, I think your 50%, 70% battle is won.
Wow,
आप
what
रेट्रोस्पेक्ट कर लो और वो अच्छी तरह से कर लो ना, जेन्युइनली बाय बीइंग ट्रूथ, तो हार्ड वर्क तो अपने आप आ ही जाएगा। फिर आपको समझ में आ जाता है कि मुझे ये चाहिए भाई, मुझे इसलिए ना दीज आर गोइंग टू बी माय नेक्स्ट स्टेप्स, सो आई थिंक देन इट फ्लोज इन। सो I'm
uh,
with you, Karlina, completely.
एब्सोल्युटली, व्हाट अ ब्यूटीफुल एडवाइस तुम दोनों ने ही दी। एक तो इट इंट्रोस्पेक्ट करना, हेल्प मांगना, आई मीन इट इज सो यूजफुल फॉर फीमेल्स who are actually not able to, make up their mind and take up a career, a business, or any idea, or they pursue anything what they like, और
Correct.
इफ दे डोंट नो, ओपनली एडमिटिंग इट कि नहीं यार, नहीं आ रहा, जरा बताओगे कैसे कर सकते हैं। It is so important for our listeners
Yeah.
who are listening even to this. हाँ, आपकी जर्नी के बीच में मैं आ गई थी। अब बताएं आप, कैसे मिली आपको ये जॉब? सो सॉरी अबाउट इट, प्लीज टेल मी।
तो मोनिका, हुआ ये था कि जब कोविड के बाद ना मुझे लगा कि अब मेरा भी रेट्रोस्पेक्शन शुरू हो गया कि भाई, अगर मैं अभी, जब 9 to 3 o'clock ये बच्चे जब स्कूल जाते हैं और आके अपने दोस्तों को ढूंढते हैं, तब उस पूरे टाइम में मेरा क्या हो गया यार, मैं यही खाना ही बनाते रह जाऊंगी। नॉट दैट खाना बनाना खराब बात है, खाना बनाना बहुत अच्छी बात है। और because you don't want to be feeding dirt to your children, it's a great thing, but मेरा क्या होगा? What is it which is going to drive me for the rest of my life? What really
राइट।
drives me? What is my perk? What is my, you know what is my what do you call, the reward? What is going to drive me for the remaining years? So वो जब क्वेश्चन हुआ, मुझे लगा the only thing which keeps me going and what attracts me is the recognition which comes with working. जब काम करते हैं, जो recognition, there's a validation which goes in. I mean, questionable है, validation भी questionable है कि why do you seek validation from outside, वो भी questionable चीज है, but मेरे को अच्छा लगता था। That's why that is my fuel, that drives me, when you seek validation, when you get recognized for your hard work, and definitely the perks of money which comes in when you earn, you're financially independent. So all of that, you know led me to decide that this is my time, I need to get back to work. And at that point of time, I started researching कि कैसे क्या कर सकते हो। पहले तो मैंने शुरुआत ऐसी करी कि मैंने सीवी फ्लोट करना शुरू किया, जैसे मैंने पहली बार शुरू करा जब मैं यूके आई थी, कुछ हुआ नहीं। Then I started reading through things, and I went back to LinkedIn, and I started figuring out what would it take for a woman who has taken a career gap of 11 years to get back to work. So I came across Women Returners program in LinkedIn, Krati, and it is at that point, and it was started by two females, two ladies who realized this when they took their break, of looking after their young family, and then they realized that there was really no platform where women can go back and figure out their path, after their second innings. and
Yeah.
and it was a great platform, and they started, thanks to them, for women like me and so many more, who really found their grounds through this platform. So I came across this platform, I registered, and what they would do is they would tie up with different organizations. And I think it just so happened it was also around that time when the government realized that there's immense amount of talent which is sitting out there, who can contribute to the economy of the country, especially in UK, when you see there's a huge percentage of retired population as compared to people who are working, and it's not really balanced. If you see, the amount of people who are paying taxes to the serious number of people who are senior citizens, the taxes which go in to pay not only about looking after the country, but also about funding and and supporting the pensioners. So
Yeah.
तो उनको लगा कि भैया we have to have a program जहाँ पे आप diversity, womenhood and all of that, have to be encouraged. And I think both of these two fell so rightly together कि इन्होंने जब ये program शुरू किया, it really picked up with a lot of organization, all the corporate houses, a lot of these big companies, they tied up with that. And I think it was my second or third experience. They had this virtual show where BT also joined in. So one of the directors who hired me, he was also there. And I think struck of luck and blessing from the God. I happened to be in the same breakout group. So there were 200 of us, Monica. 200 तो थे
Wow.
ही थे. For हम लोग 200 लोगों में थे और उसमें से breakout group हुआ. And we were divided into groups, and then we got talking with our director. Or during that course of time is when he picked me, that he then I want you to work for me. I don't know, I don't have a role for you right now, but I want you to be part of my team. So from there on, then I had my second interview, and then I was picked up. So there were 12 of us who got selected through Women Returners program. और 12 में से मैं सबसे पहली बंदी थी जो सिलेक्ट हुई. तो आई
क्या
टेक
बात
इमेंस प्राइड. और बीटी का उस साल, yeah, I was the first one who got selected, and that was the first time BT dwelled into Women Returners program. उसके पहले BT ने Women Returners किया ही नहीं था.
अच्छा, तो मुझे एक बात बताओ नैना, एंड कृति, ये मेरे तरफ से लास्ट क्वेश्चन होगा, उसके बाद तुम पूछना, मैं ही कुछ ज्यादा
नहीं,
सवाल
go
पूछ
ahead.
रही हूँ.
Last few
तो
है.
मेरा सवाल ये है नैना तुमसे, दैट तुमने 11 साल का सबैटिकली मैं उसको बोलूंगी, बिकॉज यू आर आउट
Yeah,
ऑफ टच फ्रॉम दिस कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड, एंड देन तो यू लेफ्ट एट वन पॉइंट, लाइक 10 साल पहले, 11 साल पहले, एंड देन यू रीजॉइन. तो क्या फर्क था यू व्हेन टिल द टाइम यू जॉइन एंड एट द टाइम यू लेफ्ट? वाज देयर अ गैप? You found something different, अरे ये क्या हो गया, or it was just seamless? How was that experience?
I don't think it was seamless, yeah, Monica. जब मैंने शुरुआत की ना, because my field was totally different. I worked in लॉ का थोड़ा बैकग्राउंड था मेरा. उसके बाद मैंने ट्रांजिशन किया, बिजनेस ट्रांजिशन वाला काम था. So when I joined network, even though it was management part of it, but it was it was networks things and highly technical. And coming from a background of law and generic, to dwell into technical side of things, where my colleagues were all coming from engineering background, network engineering, telecom engineering. मेरे को लगा था कि भैया पैक करो, मेरे से नहीं होगा in the first month. But every time I would take that walk back from when I was returning back from work, I used to get off in the station, and from station I would walk back home. My husband did ask me, "Do you want to, I'll come and pick you up." I said, "No, no, I'll walk back." And that journey of 15 minutes to 20 minutes back home, there's only one thing I talk to myself, and it's just, there's no giving up, boy. You got to go for it. Punda phad deyange. This is what I used to do. I should keep telling myself, आग लगाना है ना, आग. ये तो आज आग लगाना है. कुछ भी होगा ना, you're not the one who's giving up. If they give up on you, that's a different matter altogether. But you're not giving up, So I used to keep telling myself, कि you're in it, आग लगाएंगे बेटा आग लगाएंगे. I should always have that. And till now, before going for any interview, I do this exercise. I look at myself in the mirror and I tell them, भैया आग लगाना है, आगे जाके आग लगाना है. That's it. And that kind of peps me up. That's my exercise, my routine with myself. Or from that day on, I had gone through my cycle of imposter syndrome. The program board, when you're presenting, I've always, because during my school years, I used to debate a lot, and I came from a legal background. So I don't feel I didn't have the right nuances of, talking it out. But क्योंकि जब का सब्जेक्ट स्ट्रांग नहीं होता ना, तो आप हिचकिचाते हो. तो जब प्रोग्राम
बिल्कुल.
बोर्ड में होता, हाँ, हिचकिचाते हो. तो प्रोग्राम बोर्ड में क्या होता था, आई वुड स्पीक माई नंबर्स, पर एट द सेम टाइम ना, मुझे हमेशा लगता था कि भैया खत्म करूं, क्रॉस फिंगर, कोई मुझसे पूछ ना ले, क्योंकि मुझे सब्जेक्ट तो इतना पता नहीं है, चल रहा है बस, मेरा प्रोग्राम
हाँ.
चल रहा है. But from there on, you see, last year I was selected by BT. There were only 3 or 4 of us who got nominated for Women in Tech Excellence Award, and this year again I've been nominated for.
Wow.
Yeah, so this year I've just been nominated. Just 15 दिन पहले हुए, एक हफ्ता पहले हुआ होगा. I don't recently. So this it's a 5G standalone infrastructure का जो है, तो It's never been done in the world. It's been done for the first time. The entire program, which is a complex program, delivery manager, I've done it, and I've done it before time, and I've been nominated, and it's a nationwide award. Thank you. So,
मैं
and it's a nationwide award. We are competing with other corporate houses.
I
So
was
I'm incredibly proud of, yeah. So it's not within the BT. So even BT Tech Excellence was competing with other corporate giants, like, in the finance industry, in the telecom industry, everywhere. So, and this award, which has been selected for, is maybe, it's a team award, but it's a nationwide competition. So last time I think so Elizabeth Line को मिला था, what my colleague is telling me. So last year भी selection हुआ था, this year भी. So I'm incredibly proud of that journey. Now मुझे telecom आता है, now उसका industry, but I rely on the support of team, that I work with, and I do think ना कुछ भी impossible नहीं है, बस काम करते जाओ, सोचो ही मत कि क्या होना है, सोचना ही का ही नहीं है, और just keep doing it. So
नहीं,
so that's been my journey.
जब तुमने बोला आग लगा दो, मेरे पूरे आई गॉट गूज बम, मुझे ऐसे रोंगटे से खड़े हो गए, जैसे आर्मी वाला कोई बच्चा है ना, ऐसे बोल रहा है कि मैं नहीं हारूंगा, दैट्स द स्पिरिट, आई मीन दैट्स सो अमेजिंग। और दूसरी बात जो मेरे जहन में आ रही है कि कभी कैसे आप एक
Sorry.
कन्वर्सेशन करते हो अपने दोस्त के साथ, और जो कि आप और कृति बस एक बस स्टॉप पे बैठे हो, ऐसा भी नहीं कि बहुत ही अच्छी जगह बैठे हो आप दोनों अच्छी जगह होगी, एंड तभी तो ये चीज निकल के आई वहां से, एंड यू बोथ आर जस्ट चैटिंग एंड शी इज लीविंग फॉर इंडिया एंड शी जस्ट गिव्स अ पीस ऑफ एडवाइस और सजेशन और अ गाइडेंस की यार जॉब ढूंढ ले। आई मीन तुम देखो वो चीज तुम्हें ट्रिगर कर रही है, तुम उसके आगे बढ़ रही हो, एंड आई जस्ट लुक एट यू अवार्ड्स, ओ वाओ, आई मीन
Yeah.
that's
Yes,
spectacular,
Monica, I think,
amazing.
that was my turning point, क्योंकि बिकॉज जब मेरी कृति ने बोला था, आई सोचते तो आप रहते ही हो कि यार मुझे जाना चाहिए, काम पे जाना चाहिए, फिर आप छोड़ देते यार, नहीं हुआ कोई बात नहीं, बट जब उसे जिस तरह से बोला था ना, उसमें बहुत ऑनेस्टी था, और उसमें ये था, ज्यादा नहीं बोला, बहुत लेक्चर नहीं दिया, 2-3 लाइन बोला उसने, बस इतना बोला कि आई डोंट नो वेदर कृति को भी याद है कि नहीं है, लेकिन ऐसा बोला कि आई नैना, डोंट, हो गया है, कर लिया है, लुक आफ्टर, बट यू नो नीड टू गो बैक, फाइंड समथिंग फॉर योरसेल्फ। ज्यादा कुछ नहीं
That's
बोला था, बट दैट स्टेड, एंड देन आई टुक इट फ्रॉम दैट, एंड उसके 3 साल लग गए उसके बाद भी, मोनिका, आफ्टर दैट इट वाज 3 years. सो क्या होता है ना, कभी कभी रियलिटी हिट होने में भी ना, यू हैव टू हैव योर ओन इनर जर्नी.
right.
सो
Welcome. Yes, Krati ji, please चुप मत बैठिए, कुछ पूछिए, कुछ
so
बोलिए।
so much. I also want to say, मुझे वो तो याद नहीं है, पर मुझे ये याद है कि तूने उसके बाद मुझे full on ignore मारा है। We got so distant after that, Monica,
या
because I think life absorbed both of us. We tried
या
to stay in touch, और हमारी एक और common friend है, तो मैं उसको मैसेज करती हूँ, मैंने कहा उसका फोन खराब हो गया, क्या कर, and Naina, as correct me if I'm wrong, you have these you know sort of mushrooms popping up every single time in your life. Like, that's a constant. There will be some
या
sudden mushroom that will pop up that you
या
have to tackle, and you have to
करेक्ट.
put down. And despite all of that, I think this girl continues to exhibit what she's made of, and she makes progress, and she reaches new heights. And that's why, like, it is such an honor for me to be a friend to her. Like,
Oh,
matlab,
it's really sweet of
every
you,
time
Krati,
I sit
equally.
in that conversation with Naina, I'm like, yes. मतलब वही फीलिंग आती है मोनिका मुझे कि आग लगाना है, यस आग लगाना है।
और
Yes,
यू नो
well,
कृति, तुमको पता है आई एम ऑन माय स्पिरिचुअल जर्नी, आई एम अ टैरो कार्ड रीडर। मैं नैना को बहुत ही गौर से सुन रही हूँ, और जो उसकी वाइब्रेशन मेरे पास आती है, बोलते वक्त वापस मेरे रोंगटे खड़े हो रहे हैं, मतलब इतनी सॉर्टेड है वो लाइफ में, ये कहाँ से अपने आप को कंफ्यूज बोलती है, आई हैव नो आइडिया, बट शी इज सो क्लियर, शी इज लाइक मेरे को ये करना है, और लाइफ में ड्रामा नहीं क्रिएट करते यार, इसमें बड़ी खूबसूरत बात जो मैंने नोट की है, जनरली होता है ना, हर चीज का लोग ड्रामा बनाने लगते हैं, अरे वो ये ऐसा हुआ, अरे ये हो गया, अरे वो देखो ना, सास ससुर, ये बच्चा, ननद, और हम उसी ड्रामे में लगे, दोस्त, सिचुएशन, बॉस, बट शी हैज ओनली गुड थिंग्स टू टॉक। ये वो टेंट की बात कर रही है, जो भी उस घर को कहते हो, वो उसकी भी बात इतने उससे कर रही है, शी इज टॉकिंग विद सो मच ऑफ पैशन, मैं, मेरा भाई पकड़ता था, मैं पकड़ती थी, आई मीन Look at this girl. I mean, it's so nice to have you on the podcast, and I'm
Thank
sure
you.
you're uplifting mine and Krati's mood as well as हमारे audiences के भी mood. और
Thank
कृति, आप इस बार सवाल को ज्यादा पूछ नहीं रही हैं, पूछ ही डालिए आप एक दो सवाल.
नहीं, बिल्कुल.
आपने जो तश्कर में
I
आपके
think she
रखे.
knows me, that's why probably.
No, no, absolutely. Okay, ठीक है. Okay, back to questions. And what we will do is, I want to touch upon a couple of things, Naina. So I know that you mentioned you did your Agile and Prince too. Like,
Yeah.
how did that help you? Because we're trying to put a story for women who will be looking to get back to work. So the first thing you said is do your retrospection, do your, really get to know yourself. Then do some research, find out what are the avenues available. There could be some women returners programs or things like that. I know a lot of companies are doing that now, so maybe
Yeah.
that's a good point to start. And the third thing, I think, comes to upskilling yourself, because that's a
Yeah.
little bit important, right? So do you want to
Yeah.
talk about that?
Yeah, sure. I do think upskilling is critical and it's really important because the world does move on, in the 11 years when you've been looking after your family. Agile, Prince 2, MSP, all of these are part of project management. Because I chose to, choose that part and I did it. Um, मेरे को लगता है कि for me जो project management का जो मैंने Prince 2 या Agile वाला किया, I think where it really helped was maybe, जो front door cross करने के time, when your CV says कि आपके
Yeah.
पास ये skill है, तो वहां से एक बार वो through होने के लिए I think so it probably helps. But after that, it is your experience which helps and what you bring to the table,
Yeah.
your other skills, your skills which cannot be transferred, and how passionate you are about the subject, how good you are with the people, all of that makes a broader difference for when you are in a management field. um, so yeah, so I would say so, but I, I think women have always been slightly shyer than men in terms of reaching out and doing tech. Our numbers are still very low, even though there are a lot of women right now who are choosing to do coding and software and so on, but we still very few as compared to men.
Yeah.
So I think we definitely need to explore that field. Government in UK, I do know they want to invest in women who want to study technology, and that there has been avenues to do so, for women. There are rebates in terms of you want to do courses, and they encourage women who want to get into tech. Especially, I think the recent government is trying to create more, the technical thing like we have in, just say, Hyderabad mein hai, वैसा यहाँ पे भी they are trying to do
Oh,
something like that. Yeah, so they want to invest. So I think it's always a
fantastic.
good, it's a good point where women, if they want to get into tech and they want to explore, there are avenues for it.
Good one, because like you said, I think to get through the front door is very important.
Correct.
And some of the streams are moving, especially technology is evolving at such a quick pace
Yes.
that
Yeah.
actually my mindset has also shifted a little bit. I think that previously what we used to do was always keep yourself up to date. So that's a struggle that people who've actually remained in the system have to go through. They're
Yeah.
constantly upskilling, especially in the tech world.
Yeah.
But for others, I think, who are starting afresh, they can actually start with the latest one, right? So it's not that difficult if you come to think about it. If you understand how to leverage it,
Yeah.
right, the soft part of it, then actually the hard part of it is quite learnable, and it is a skill that can be developed. So do it would be my suggestion as well to any women who are looking
Yeah.
out. So I think it is good to get over that hitch
Correct.
that it's there in your resume.
And
Yeah.
I also feel, Krati, beyond the upskilling, the subject upskilling, I think it's also very important to be aware about your surrounding. I've written an article about it in LinkedIn. I think it's really important to be aware about what's really geopolitical scenario, what's really going on around you, because you want to come across as a person who is willing, who is present, and who is aware about what's really going on, because that creates an impression, you see. So when you end up talking with anybody, so if you can talk about a topic about, okay, what's really going on geopolitically, or what's really going on about a certain topic, you can create an impression, and that really matters. So that breaks the ice. So वो आप Prince 2 पढ़ के नहीं कर पाओगे. आप वो isn't it? वो आप MSP करके या Agile करके वो नहीं आता है. तो it has to, when your preparation comes in, it comes in at all angles. You have to prepare in terms of what's really going. You have to be aware, and then at the same time you have to do, depending upon what line a certain person choose to do so. So it has to be a mixed bag. It has to come together. And I think reading really helps. मैंने ना बहुत टाइम से कुछ reading नहीं किया. I used to read a lot, but when I was initially, when I was growing up, and during the time when I was working, I should read a lot. And वो मेरे को लगता है ना, it helped. And even after thing, but recently I've not been reading at all. But reading helps. So
So,
storytelling
okay.
helps.
So,
So I know
what
you
I will
both know
do
so much about storytelling. You're doing that, so that
what I'll
helps.
do now is flip into a rapid fire round,
Sure.
Naina.
Oh
So
my
keep
gosh.
your
Oh
answers
really?
short and crisp, okay? And I'll pick on that one first. Is there a book that you would like to recommend?
Is there a?
Book that you would like to recommend?
Oh yes. Oh yes. Um. There's so many books which are so a funny
Let me
book.
make it harder. Let me make it harder.
Yeah.
We'll keep it two. One is maybe light reading, and two is for the type of people that we're making this podcast for, like women returning to work, let's say. So, is there two recommendations
Oh,
you
for
have?
a woman returning to work.
Yeah,
Oh. Uh, for women returning.
could be mindset, could be anything.
So I would say I read this book long back, not something which I've read recently, but Daughters of Arabia is a great book. It talks about the society, of how women were growing up, how incredibly liberal they were in their own way, and they were challenging the norms. So Daughters of Arabia is a great book which every woman should read. And Bitter Chocolate. Bitter Chocolate is another book which women should read. Yeah,
Very nice.
yeah.
Awesome.
And I don't know whether if you've read about this vagina monologue. Have you read about that? That's again a
No.
great book one should read of.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Okay.
It's been
I'm
it,
making.
it has been now changed into theaters also, I think. So yeah, Vagina Monologue is a great book. Yeah. Bitter
Let's
Chocolate
go
is
and
again
catch
a
up
good
maybe
one.
together.
Which women should read.
Hmm. No, I'm
Yeah.
saying let's go and watch a show if it's available somewhere around us. So,
Yeah. Vagina Monologue अपने इंडिया में बहुत अच्छा उसका थिएटर है बॉम्बे में. Yeah. तो यहाँ
okay,
का मुझे मालूम नहीं बट इंडिया में या पुणे बॉम्बे that there.
Monica, for
That,
you then.
yeah.
Okay. One word your kids would use to describe you.
They annoying. I think they are at that age right now. So
Ah,
annoying. They'll
awesome.
describe me. Mommy, you are annoying, mom. In every way. Strict हो तो भी annoying हो. प्यार करो तो भी annoying हो. Kiss
So,
करो तो भी
yeah,
annoying हो. तो आप कुछ भी करो आप annoying ही हो.
good. Next, I can already tell you what your next stage is. Your next stage is cringe. So, brace yourself for it. You're going to become cringe very soon to them. So,
I'm
anything you do
bindas, man.
will,
I'm bindas, man. I think I'm bindas, man. That's all.
because that's my phase. That's what I'm going through.
Yeah.
Okay. Ask some food that you miss the most.
Sorry? Food which I miss the
Assamese
most.
food. Yes. Assamese
Yeah, oh
food.
yeah, dry fish. Iromba is a Manipuri food. So I'm Manipuri, Bishnupia Manipuri.
Oh,
So iromba is a dish which I really miss, but I do cook it sometimes. Yeah, baby.
nice.
Iromba is
Good.
made of dry fish. Dry fish ka
Uh-huh.
Oh,
chutney.
wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow. Agile or Prince 2?
Agile, I think, is a mindset. I mean, it's a mindset. It's what you Prince too, I would say. You
Prince
can
2.
build agile. Agile, I am agile, man. So I think Prince too.
Okay. And what's one parenting skill that makes you a great project manager?
My parenting. I think questioning why. Why?
Wow.
So yeah.
Yeah, I know. Why do you want
Why?
this? Why do you need
Yeah.
this?
Yeah. Yeah. So I think it's why. So why? I think why finds, that critical thinking, not only in parenting, agile, project management, or anything, but I think when we question why, I think we find a lot of answers then.
Right,
So
right.
Um, the first thing you bought with your salary, your first salary after the comeback. And tell
बस
me for
कॉफी मशीन
yourself.
या कृति, कॉफी
Huh?
मशीन, कॉफी मशीन खरीदा था। हाँ, कॉफी
Okay.
मशीन खरीदा था, तो आधे पैसे अपने खुद के दिए और आधे अपने पति से दिलवाए।
Correct.
With coffee machine. Yeah,
Very awesome.
yeah.
And if your life were a book, Naina, what would the title be?
आग लगा दो. That's the one. आग लगा दो. Because I think that these lines have just, whether it comes to having fun, I've had immense amount of fun, when I look back, I don't have any regrets, and that's only happened because whatever I have approached has approached with an attitude where I want to, enjoy, have fun, and aag laga do. I mean, there's no looking back. अब गिरना is not a wrong thing, yeah. Falling is equally important, and तो I think it's just that attitude of आग लगा दो ना, उसने मुझे बहुत help किया है हर एक चीज में. When I gave birth to Pravar also, it helped me. Okay. I was in labor for 3 days. Would you believe it? 3 days.
Oh,
And fourth day was when he born. Yeah. यहाँ पे करते नहीं ऑपरेशन तो
ऐसे
यार.
ही बोलते हैं, आग लगा
Wow.
दो, आग लगा
आग
दो।
लगा दो, मेरी लग गई है, पर भैया तो चलते रहना है. वैसे ही चल रहा था. Seriously. क्योंकि वो जो no giving attitude है ना, वो that self conversation is very important. I think that helped.
Beautiful.
वहाँ पे.
What a strong lady. What a strong lady. Yeah, Kriti.
I know we're way over our usual time, but it was a fabulous conversation, Naina.
Thank you,
We
Kathy.
loved it to the core. I think we've had so much fun. That but before I kind of start to close, there was this I was listening to a podcast, and what they did was create a word cloud about the person throughout. And so I thought I'll do that because I found it very, very interesting to say, as just as a giveaway to our guest. So this is what I have put in your word cloud, Nana, and tell me if you agree with
Yeah.
it or not. Curious, very, very strong thing. I think you concluded with saying, why is the answer. So I think curiosity mindset. You're a rebel, so not conforming to what is
Yeah.
happening regularly, but you want to do things. You've always had a bigger vision, right? So you've not restricted yourself, but you always look, that there's something better and bigger out there for you, and you chase it. um I think you're brutally honest and fearless.
There
So
have been instances I've been not, but I am. I think so.
yes, but that's your core. I think if you've
Yeah.
if you've sidelined that, then it could be something to actually go back and get it
Yeah.
back.
Yeah.
I think you've also got a massive funny bone in you. We've totally established it throughout the podcast. You started off with that, and I think I agree. You've got great negotiation skills as well. So that's the other thing. And discipline and the resilience bit was also something that we really touched upon. And you were like, you're such a great promoter for that kind of a value and virtue.
Yeah.
So I think that's where I would stop. Is there anything that you would like to add to this word cloud?
For me, you're asking me. I'm telling you, Monica and Krati, like I thank you so much for this opportunity, and I think those words are really humbling. I don't know whether I'm really deserving of it,
You
but
are. You are.
yeah, but no, it's really kind of you, and that comes, when women. I mean, that only comes from a place when the other person who's sitting on the other side are equally, you know, experienced life and equally deserving. It takes a lot for somebody to really acknowledge and appreciate someone, and it always comes from a place of immense amount of self-confidence, immense amount of reassured person, and their own experiences, you see. जब एक आदमी दूसरे को ऐसा बोलता है ना, वो अपने बारे में ही कहीं पे रिफ्लेक्ट कर रहा होता है. So I think so. Thank you so much, Krati and Monica, for this opportunity. It means a lot, and it's always great. I've been listening to your podcast, and it's such a great initiative. And I really, really thank you for giving me this chance. I
Thank you so
appreciate
much.
that.
And I will just like to add to this. Look at our podcast; it's full of Shakti today. It's talking
Yeah.
about female tapping into the power of of whatever she actually desires, and she realizes कि यार मेरे को तो ना break through करने का है, मेरे को आग लगाने की है. It's just so amazing.
Thank you. Thank you, Monica. I agree.
Awesome. I think I'll just take one moment to tell our listeners that thank you if you've remained so far. I don't know if you've noticed, Nena is wearing a beautiful shade of yellow, sorry.
And
Monica,
I'm also yellow. I'm also yellow.
Nena is
Very
wearing
same.
a Nena is wearing a lovely shade of yellow. And I turned up to the podcast wearing yellow, and so we made Monica change before coming. She pulled out something. Monica, you want to show the yellow in your
Yeah,
sari?
that's what. See, no, yellow is there. See, guys, they actually pressurize you to wear something yellow.
We're three crazy women on a Saturday morning shooting this just to bring to you the amazing life stories of people around us through this podcast.
Yeah,
And if you liked listening to it, please do like, subscribe, share as much as you can, because I think stories like these need to be heard because they are so inspirational in nature, and they help you to maybe pick yourself up from wherever you are, or already give you further wings to go and chase what you're chasing. So there's
yeah.
always a place to go up higher from where you are. And I hope the Fair and Fair Life podcast stories give you those wings. Yeah. So
Right.
thank you for listening.
Thank you.
Thank you
um
so much.
for now.